Now we'll see first of all ideal solution. First of all, we'll see the ideal solution. Now, what is the meaning of ideal? If I say something in your somebody in your class is an ideal person. In your class, he's an ideal person. If I say, what does it mean actually? Anybody? Somehow one of the student in your class is ideal student. If I say, what is the meaning of that one? What
Sir,
is the meaning?
everything perfect.
He obeys all the rules, which is generally what happened prescribed by the school, which is instructed by the teacher. Everything he will follow, isn't it? That is generally we call ideal person. And here also, any solution, if it is obeying the Raoult's law, then they are called what? Ideal solution, isn't it? Any solution, if you observe here, if it is what? Exhibiting, obeying, isn't it? Following Raoult's law, then that solution is simply called ideal solution. Now here conditions compulsory. You can't say what happened, it is following Raoult's law. No. The conditions must be at any concentration. The important thing is that at any concentration, if you change the concentration and temperature also, that the condition is that at any temperature, at any concentration, it should follow. You can't say at only this concentration. For example, add something 24 ml of water, benzene plus 30 ml of what toluene, then only they are obeying the Raoult's law. Not like that. At any concentration, what happened? They should obey the Raoult's law. I think definition is very simple for you now. Ideal solution means solutions which obeys Raoult's law. Condition at any concentration and temperature. At any temperature, they are called ideal solution. Now, what might be the ideal solution beta? What will be the ideal solution now? And non-ideal solution according to this one, if you say. Anybody, what will be the non-ideal solution?
Sir, solutions which do not obey Raoult's law.
Very good, beta. Do not obey. Which do not obey, they are called what? Non-ideal solution. So definitions are very important, beta. You need to remember that one. Definitions, okay? Don't get any confusion in this. Now, to explain in detail what I take, I will take solution liquid A beta. One liquid. Just imagine it is a benzene, right? Second liquid I am taking toluene. Okay? Benzene and toluene I have taken. Liquid A and liquid. Both I have added. I got ideal solution. I got this solution, ideal solution. Now what I'm saying here, the interactions between A and interactions B and B, when they are before and after, they are what same. What is the meaning of this one? See, for example, I will show in this one here. For example, I have taken this container A liquid, liquid A I have taken. Okay. In this container, I have taken liquid B I have taken. All these molecules are AA only, no? All are what? AA like. Here in this case, BB like this. In this is BB like this. Because only B liquid is there. Now, before interaction between the A, interaction between the B, okay? Something they're having certain amount of interactions of. When you mix here, what happened? You got actually what? Liquid A you got and liquid B you got. Okay? When they added, what happened? The interactions between the A and B is also what? Same like what? Like AA and B. There is no change in the interactions. For example, to explain this one, I will explain a very simple thing. So this is the class, first class student beta. These are the first year students. Okay. Otherwise 12th year students are. These are the 12th year students. Okay. Next class is there. 12th B students are there. The next class. But so because of some examinations, what we are doing, we are combining these two classes. Okay. For our examinations point of view, we have combined these classes. So in that we are taking in the class, what happened? We have now taken what? 12th A plus 12th B. Here something for 50 students are there. Here also some 50 students are there. Now total strength is becoming 100 students. Now in the 12th A, so some of the students, how they are interacting. In the 12th B, how they are interacting. Same they are interacting in this also. There is no difference. Okay. Nothing is difference. How they are in the 12th class, same they are doing, same like what in the previous class. Nothing changed in this case. Similarly, what happened before and after, when they add, what happened, their intermolecular attractive forces are always will be same only. There is no difference in that case. The molecular attractive forces molecule between attractive force रहते हैं. Any molecule will have attractive force mostly. Doesn't depend upon polar and non-polar nature actually. Understood, I think, everyone, this statement. Next, we will move to what? Very important. Delta H mixing and delta V mixing. This is very important concept for us. Very important concept. Now, what is this delta H? Anybody knows this one? What is the meaning of delta H, better? Anybody knows this one? Delta H. Delta H means what? Change in enthalpy.
Change in heat.
Change in enthalpy. Better. Now, change in enthalpy means what? For example, when you do chemical reactions or when you mix two solutions, okay, that means you are doing something. Some chemical change is occurring. Okay, in that case, heat may be released or heat may be absorbed. Okay, so in that case, if delta H is equal to 0 means when you mix two solutions, heat is neither absorbing nor releasing. Nothing is happening in that case. Heat is not exchanging with atmosphere. That is called what? Delta H mixing is equal to 0. Mixing means you are mixing liquid A and liquid B. Because the binary solution we are discussing. So when you mix A and B, what happens? There is no heat exchanging with surrounding. No exothermic, no endothermic. Now, what about delta V mixing means? So, well, this is actually very simple. I have taken in the container 1 liquid A. I have taken beta 50 ml. I have taken, right? Liquid B I have taken 40 ml. I have taken. Okay. When I mix liquid A and liquid B, how much I am getting? 90 ml. I am getting 90 ml. In this case, liquid A is there and liquid B also there. So you are getting 90 ml. Now, what is delta V mixing means? Delta V mix is equal to, isn't it? Volume, final value minus initial value. Final value kitna beta? 90 ml. 90 it is. Initially kitna beta? 50 plus 40. So delta V mixing kitna ho raha hai? 0 ho raha hai. It is converting into 0 here. That means when you, before whatever the quantity is there, before mixing, same quantity we are getting. So you may get one doubt. So when you add, isn't it 50 plus 40, definitely we get 90. How do you get more? How do you get less? You may get one doubt actually. Definitely we don't get lesser and higher value for ideal solutions. Because the interactions are same. Before and after, whatever the interactions, attractive forces, molecular force of attractions are same. So you will get same value. But if the interactions are not same, in that case, it may be increased, it may be decreased. That will compulsory happen, isn't it? So here delta V mixing is 0, delta H mixing is 0. These are very important beta. This is for which type of solutions beta?
Ideal.
Ideal solutions, right? But generally what happened, getting perfectly ideal solution is rare. But isn't it? Some solutions they may act as nearly ideal solution. एक क्लास में आइडियल पर्सन मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है, आइडियल स्टूडेंट मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है, जो रूल्स है ना वो फॉलो करने वाला मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है. बट दे में नियर टू व्हाट आइडियल बिहेवियर. Sometimes they act as ideal, sometimes they do not like. But mostly what happen, ideal solutions are rare, but at least they act as ideal solutions in some conditions, right? So next slide, if we discuss here with examples. Now, whatever the examples I am taking for ideal solution. Now, what examples I am taking beta here? Ideal solution examples ले रहा हूँ बेटा. इसका example ले रहा हूँ मैं. Ideal solution examples ले रहा हूँ. Now, example कैसे लेना है? कौन सा example लेना है? So, जिसका chemical property same रहते हैं ना बेटा, उसका लेना है. जिसका molar mass ऑलमोस्ट सेम रहती है। ऑलमोस्ट सेम का मतलब जस्ट 20-30 डिफरेंस रहते, ज्यादा नहीं डिफरेंस नहीं रहती। पहला मोलार मास ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं होना चाहिए। दे बिलोंग्स टू सेम फंक्शन ग्रुप, दे बिलोंग्स टू व्हाट, सेम फंक्शन ग्रुप, तो उसका केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी सेम होना। देखो बेटा हेक्सेन इज अल्केन है ना बेटा, करेक्ट और नॉट, अल्केन है। हेप्टेन आल्सो व्हाट हियर, अल्केन है ना बेटा, करेक्ट और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
Alkane, alkane. Now alkane, all alkanes will give same chemical properties. They exhibit same chemical properties. All will exhibit chemical properties are same. Now I told you their molar mass should be near to same, not exactly if molar mass is same, then what they will become identical only. No, here right here also if I write heptane, both will be identical only. No, so what I'm taking, hexane means how many carbons we're having? 6 carbons. Heptane is having how many carbons? 7 carbons. Not much difference. You cannot take what propane and heptane. Of course, propane and heptane are alkanes only. They're having same chemical properties, but molar mass is what? The large difference is there. Okay, when you are taking the example, their number of carbons must be only 1 carbon difference, not much more than actually. Hexane and heptane. आप ऐसा नहीं ले सकते, can I take propane and butane? ले सकते बेटा, ethane and propane ले सकते मैं? चले टेक ईथेन एंड प्रोपेन, जिसमें भी 1 डिफरेंस है।
Yes, sir.
नहीं ले सकते क्योंकि दे शुड बी इन लिक्विड स्टेट बेटा, isn't it? The condition is that which type of solutions we are discussing in Raoult's law beta? Liquid in liquid beta, liquid in liquid we are discussing, but ethane and propane they are not liquids beta. Don't take that example. सर ने बताया मेरे को alkane alkane ले सकते जिसमें 1 कार्बन का डिफरेंस होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं ले सकते आप। ईथेन प्रोपेन कैसे होता है? गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स होता है, तो यू कांट टेक दैट वन। ईथेन नहीं ले सकते, मीथेन नहीं ले सकते आप, अंडरस्टूड बेटा? दे शुड मस्ट कंपल्सरी लिक्विड। ऐसा भी नहीं ले सकते डेकेन लेता हूं, डेकेन तो अगर आप ज्यादा ये कहे तो मोलर मास लिए तो सॉल्ट बन जाएगा। मैं देता हूं 2 डेकेन लेता हूं, ट्राई डेकेन लेता हूं, ऐसा कोई ले तो क्या होता है वो सॉल्ट्स होता है, तो वो दैट मस्ट बी इन लिक्विड स्टेट बेटा। दिस इज कंपल्सरी, वी हैव टू ऑब्जर्व दिस। सेकंड एग्जांपल, इफ
Excuse,
बोलो
sir, like, is it mandatory to take that both should be in liquid state only, no, sir?
I told you initial only in Henry's law we have discussed gas and liquid. In Raoult's law we are discussing liquid in liquid volatile solution, that to volatile solution. Then when we are discussing Raoult's law, compulsory we have to take liquid solutions only. How do you take solid liquid? The topic is liquid, correct or not? So when we are discussing the topic is liquid, under what Raoult's law, compulsory the example must be liquid in liquid only. You can't take solid in liquid, isn't it? When you are studying 12th class, isn't it? How do you study what happened? I will study what happens in 9th class. I will study for examination point of view, because it is also their atomic structure also there in the 9th class. I will study the atomic structure from the 9th class only, sir, because that is also an atomic structure. The 12th class also atomic structure is there. That is not correct. No, understood? Is your doubt is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now second example देखो बेटा, ईथेन डिफरेंस कहां आ रहा है आपको? क्लोरीन और दोनों two are what actually halogen compounds. Halogen compound means alkyl halides. They both are alkyl halides. Both are alkyl halides, isn't it? और जिसमें ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं रहते, क्लोरोब्रोमो में मोलार मास डिफरेंस रहते मगर ज्यादा नहीं रहते। ऐसा नहीं लेना एक आइडो ईथेन लेता हूं और दूसरा फ्लोरो ईथेन लेता, ऐसा मत लेना। ओके, सो ब्रोमो ईथेन, क्लोरो ईथेन बोथ बिलोंग्स टू व्हाट? alkyl halides. You can take, right? In this way we can take n number of examples बेटा। बेंजीन, टोलिन। बेंजीन कैसे होता है बेटा? एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड है। बेंजीन क्या है? एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड। टोलिन कैसे होते हैं? मिथाइल बेंजीन। मिथाइल बेंजीन is called टोलिन। दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है? both are what aromatic compounds and only the molar mass difference is only methyl group is there, only methyl group। ये नहीं ले सकते आप। बेंजीन एंड नैप्थलीन लेता हूं मैं, ले सकते हैं बेंजीन नैप्थलीन आप एग्जांपल में? ले सकते हैं बेटा बेंजीन नैप्थलीन आप?
No, sir.
No, naphthalene is solid. Benzene is what? Liquid. नहीं ले सकते आप, liquid solid, isn't it? And molar mass also very large difference is there. And because of molar mass only, it is exhibiting solid state beta. Only the thing is why naphthalene is solid, because it's having higher molar mass. Why liquid is what? The benzene is liquid because lower molar mass. Understood what I am saying here? जो एग्जाम्पल दे आप जो ऐसा नहीं लिखना है बेटा, जो लिक्विड में वो देना है आपको एग्जाम्पल. These three examples आपको याद रखना है बेटा under ideal solutions. Hexane, henaptane, bromoethane, chloroethane, benzene, and toluene, isn't it? Any doubts regarding this one you are having now? Ideal solution, mein?
No, sir.
No. Next, we'll go for non-ideal solution. As I told you, somebody have told me that non-ideal solutions are very, these are not obeying what? Raoult's law. Okay? So they are non-ideal solution. यहाँ पर भी condition आपको compulsory लिखना है at any concentration and temperature. The condition must be same only. Condition I'm change नहीं कर रहा हूँ बेटा. ये condition को मैं change नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Okay? Understood? Definition तो हो गया ना? Next, we'll move to what now? ये भी ऐसा भी दे सकते हैं बेटा, both are what same at over entire range, any concentration or over entire range also both are what same only, so nothing is difference is there, same definition you can write. Now यहाँ पर आपको याद रखना है बेटा, before interactions, before mixing whatever the interactions they are having in molecular force of attractions, they are not same, they are different, isn't it? यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है अभी, आफ्टर मिक्स होने के बाद दो अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स रहते हैं ना बिटवीन लिक्विड ए और लिक्विड बी, वो डिफरेंट रहेगा. मे बी व्हाट मोर अट्रैक्टिव, मे बी व्हाट लेस अट्रैक्टिव. दैट इज द थिंग एक्चुअली. नाउ डेल्टा एच मिक्सिंग इज नॉट इक्वल टू, दैट मींस व्हेन यू मिक्स टू लिक्विड्स देन it may release heat or it may absorb the heat also. When you mix two solutions, what happens? You may get more volume or you may get less volume also. Okay, what type of things it is exhibiting by the non-ideal solution beta? Delta H mixing is not equal to 0. Here it is also not equal to 0. For ideal solution is equal to 0. Okay, so this is important for you. You have to remember. Next. There are two types of ideal solutions beta. I can write two types of ideal solution. One is called positive deviation, other is negative deviation. They are nothing but, how do you say it is a deviation? What is the meaning of this deviation? So you can say what happened, deviation in terms of what? Vapor pressure. In terms of vapor pressure, we can say which type of deviation is a positive deviation or negative deviation. We can easily explain it. Now, if the vapor pressure is high, they are what? Positive deviation. If the vapor pressure is low, they are what? Negative deviation from Raoult's law. Now, how do you state the positive deviation with vapor pressure? Okay, statement is very simple. I will explain this one better. First of all, I am writing the Raoult's law. Anybody Raoult's law is what? Partial pressure of liquid A is equal to what? Anybody? Nobody knows Raoult's law.
P naught A into X.
P naught A into mole fraction of Xc. Correct? This is the Raoult's law. Now, similarly, PA, sorry, I am writing PB now. And P naught B into mole fraction of B. Now, what about P total beta? What about P total?
Sir, PA plus PB.
PA plus PB. Very simple it is. PA plus PB. Now, if you write like this, then the solution is obeying which type of law beta? Which type of solution they are? Ideal law, ideal solutions. Okay, if I write this formula like this is ideal solution. For example, if I write like this, PA is greater than P naught A Xc. Similarly, PB is greater than P naught A mole fraction of B, here also what B. And P total is greater than PA plus B. Then you can say it is a positive deviation. This is non-ideal solution with positive deviation. You said no here. The vapor pressure is what? High. Yes, high. See, the vapor pressure is high you are getting here. For example, write something like this: P A lesser than P naught A and X A. Similarly, P naught B, P B lesser than P naught B, mole fraction of B. And P total, isn't it, lesser than PA plus PB, isn't it? Now, this case, we can say it is what? Low vapor pressure. The vapor pressure is what here? Low. Now, it is called what? Non-ideal solution. Which type of deviation we are calling? Negative deviation. इसको मैं elaborate करता हूँ. In detail, we'll discuss now this one. In detail, we will discuss this one. Before that, what happened? Shall I make some MCQs on this? Which pair will form an ideal solution? बोल सकते हैं आप? बोल सकते हैं बेटा?
Third one, sir.
Not form, will not form.
Second.
Yes?
Second one.
Second.
One is what? Water. ये आपको, ये दोनों क्या बेटा? Alkanes है ना?
Yes, sir.
मास में all are liquid sounds, all are liquid only. मोलर मास में कितना डिफरेंस है? Only one carbon. तो ले सकते हैं, ये आइडियल सॉल्यूशन है. नेक्स्ट, अल्केल हैलाइड्स. अल्केल हैलाइड्स, राइट? ले सकते हैं आप. दोनों व्हाट अल्केल हैलाइड्स है ना? ले सकते हैं, ये भी ले सकते हैं, आइडियल सॉल्यूशन. और दोनों व्हाट टेट्रा हैलाइड्स, बोथ आर टेट्रा हैलाइड्स, करेक्ट? ले सकते हैं इसको भी क्या? आइडियल सॉल्यूशन. यस, इज आल्सो व्हाट आइडियल सॉल्यूशन. ये तो वाटर है, ये तो अल्कोहल. बहुत डिफरेंस रहते हैं ना. आप सैनिटाइजर वाटर यूज कर सकते हैं, सैनिटाइजर का जगह यूज कर सकते हैं बेटा. कैन यू यूज सैनिटाइजर वाटर? कैन यू यूज कर सकते?
No, sir.
अल्कोहल का प्रॉपर्टी अलग है और वाटर का प्रॉपर्टी अलग है. वाटर डज नॉट किल whatever the virus, but alcohol can kill. Why? Because their chemical properties are different. तो केमिकल, मैंने क्या बोला बेटा? केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज जो रहते हैं वो डिफरेंट होना, सेम रहना चाहिए. इसमें तो डिफरेंट है ना. ऐसा आपको एलिमिनेट करना है. Understood? Any doubts in this one? I will discuss in detail positive and negative deviation. Positive and negative deviation. Now let me see first of all the statements better. First of all, we'll see the positive deviation. We'll see the positive deviation now. In this positive deviation, solute-solute, solvent-solvent interactions are stronger than solute-solute interaction. ये solute-solute नहीं बेटा, ये solute-solvent है. ये इसको थोड़ा मॉडिफाई करो, solute and now what you are observing here, solute solvent means जिसने दो लिक्विड लिया बेटा, लिक्विड ए लिया आपने और लिक्विड बी लिया आपने, दोनों लिया आपने, लिक्विड ए एंड लिक्विड बी दोनों लिया बेटा. Now if you take this one is a small quantity, you take this one 20 ml and you take this one 50 ml, obviously this becomes solute, this becomes solute, and obviously this will become solvent, correct? Obviously it will become, now this is solute, this will be solid, and both are in liquid state. Both are in liquid state. Right? Now, when you mix this one, what happening here? जो A का interactions है, ये और ये का interactions, and B का interactions, आप when you compare with what? ये B का interactions से compare करना है आपको, ये B का interactions. ये का A का interactions, B का interactions compare करें तो जिसका इंटरेक्शंस ज्यादा है बेटा, यहां पर इंटरेक्शन ज्यादा है, यहां पर है, यहां पर वीक इंटरेक्शंस, ज्यादा इंटरेक्शंस नहीं है इसके. ओके, नाउ वन मोर थिंग आल्सो विल बी partial vapor pressure of each component of the solution is greater than the vapor pressure exhibited by the, according to the Raoult's law. That means what happened when they are before mixing, whatever their vapor pressure, if you observe, for example, before mixing, the vapor pressure is 760 mm is there. Just imagine that 760 mm is there. इसका A का बाद में मिक्सिंग होने के बाद इसका ये का कितना हो रहा है 740 हो रहा है, नहीं तो 750 हो रहा है, तो वेव प्रेशर इज इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज? डिक्रीज किया। इसमें ज्यादा है, इसमें ज्यादा है, दैट मींस बिफोर दे आर हैविंग व्हाट, isn't it, strong interactions actually. I will also explain some more examples also. I will give some example beta. Ethanol and acetone I will take here. Ethanol is alcohol beta, right? Whereas acetone is what type of group beta? Anybody knows what is the functional group present in the acetone beta?
Ketone.
Ketone, very good. Now definitely these two cannot become ideal solution because they are having different functional groups. So you cannot call this one ideal solution. They can be called non-ideal solution. Now they are showing positive deviation. Now I will explain how their interactions are weak and everything. Now before what happened, एक बीकर में मैं लेता हूँ बेटा यहाँ पर इथेनॉल लेता हूँ. इथेनॉल का मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला आई एम राइटिंग C2H5OH. और नेक्स्ट और एक लेता हूँ मैं, क्योंकि एक इथेनॉल में कितना रहते हैं बेटा मॉलिक्यूल, सेम मॉलिक्यूल रहते हैं, डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल रहते हैं इथेनॉल में. यस, इथेनॉल में सेम मॉलिक्यूल रहते, डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल रहते? सेम ही रहते है ना. हाँ, इस दोनों मॉलिक्यूल में एनी टू मॉलिक्यूल्स इन इथेनॉल कौन सा बॉन्डिंग रहते हैं बेटा? हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग रहते है ना, इसमें हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग रहते. और दूसरा सॉल्यूशन लेता हूं मैं एसीटोन. एसीटोन ऐसा लिख सकते हैं CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड वो CH3. और एक लेता हूं मैं CH3 यहां से. इसमें हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग पॉसिबिलिटी है एसीटोन में? पॉसिबल है बेटा?
No, sir.
No, not possible, right? Why? Because there is no hydrogen on oxygen. ऑक्सीजन में हाइड्रोजन रहना चाहिए, ऑक्सीजन के पास हाइड्रोजन नहीं है बेटा इसमें. So it never show what hydrogen bond. So what type of interactions it will have? What normal, जो आप बोलते हैं ना डाइपोल डाइपोल इंटरेक्शंस रहते हैं. कौन सा इंटरेक्शंस? डाइपोल डाइपोल इंटरेक्शंस, डाइपोल और डाइपोल. Now you are mixing these two, आपको मिल रहा है इथेनॉल और एसीटोन का सॉल्यूशन मिल रहा है आपको. इथेनॉल का C2H5OH प्लस एसीटोन, ये मिल रहे हैं आपको, ये मिल रहा है. दिस इज व्हाट मिक्सचर ऑफ व्हाट इथेनॉल प्लस एसीटोन. व्हेन यू मिक्स व्हाट हैपन, नाउ किसमें इंटरेक्शंस होना चाहिए इसमें? किस में होना चाहिए इंटरेक्शंस नाउ? स्पीक नाउ. किस में होना चाहिए इंटरेक्शंस इसमें इथेनॉल एसीटोन में? त्रियंबक?
यस सर.
किसमें होना चाहिए बेटा इंटरेक्शंस दोनों में? किस में होना चाहिए? इसमें किस में इंटरेक्शंस? इसमें इंटरेक्शंस किस में है बेटा? Which molecules are having interactions? You listen my question. किसमें है बेटा इंटरेक्शंस? Anybody other? सुमित इंटरेक्शंस किसमें बेटा?
सर इथेनॉल में.
इथेनॉल और इथेनॉल में है, और इसमें एसीटोन और एसीटोन में है. और इसमें किस में होना चाहिए? इसमें इथेनॉल और एसीटोन में होना चाहिए. इन दोनों में होना चाहिए इंटरैक्शंस में, इथेनॉल और एसीटोन में होना चाहिए. मगर इथेनॉल और एसीटोन दे आर डिफरेंट फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स, देयर इंटरैक्शंस डेफिनेटली व्हाट हैपन? वीक ओनली. देयर इंटरैक्शंस आर वीक बट दिस इंटरैक्शंस आर स्ट्रांग. एंड दिस वन आल्सो व्हाट वेरी स्ट्रांग. स्ट्रांग इसलिए क्योंकि दे आर व्हाट सेम टाइप ऑफ फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स. इसलिए दे आर वीक बिकॉज दे आर अनेबल टू फॉर्म. हियर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग नहीं मिलेगा आपको, यहाँ पर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग नहीं मिलेगा आपको, बिकॉज बट दे आर डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स. इंटरैक्शंस कम हो रहे हैं इसमें. तो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं यहाँ पर, ये का इंटरैक्शंस और ये बी का इंटरैक्शंस आप कंपेयर करें तो ए बी का इंटरैक्शंस कैसे हो रहे हैं आपको? वीक हो रहे हैं. So when it is weak, when the interactions are getting weak, क्या हो जाएगा अभी बोलिए मेरे को. अब interactions are getting weak, ना क्या हो जाएगा?
Positive deviation.
वीक होने के बाद क्या हो जाएगा? दे विल गेट इजीली ब्रेक. फिर से क्या हो जाएगा? ये हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स फिर से अल्कोहल वांट टू मेक बॉन्डिंग विद अल्कोहल नाउ, एंड एसीटोन एंड एसीटोन वांट टू मेक ए बॉन्डिंग नाउ. सेम एग्जांपल ले लो बेटा. 12th ए, आप 12th ए क्या है, इसमें दोनों समथिंग 12th ए का और 12th बी समझो, दोनों को मैंने कंबाइन किया है ना, तो आपका ये एंड बी क्लास हो गया. दो देखो बेटा, सुमित और त्रियंबक बोथ आर गॉट वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स. त्रियंबक एंड सुमित आर वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स. और 12th बी में समथिंग ले लो बेटा. 12th बी में स्नेहा और सोनाली इज देयर. सोनाली एंड स्नेहा, दे आर वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स. Okay, now when we take class combinedly, what happened? This Triyambak unable to sit together with what 12th B student, because they don't have any interactions before that classes actually. He has very good friendship with what Sumit only. Okay, so if for example in a bench is there, what happened? It is vacant something. So always this Sumit want to sit together with this fellow. What is his name? Triyambak, isn't it? Why? Because already they were very good friends. Same thing. So why? What do you do actually? Whenever if you get any chance, you will go again to sit there together with your Sumit only. So same thing is happening whenever the bondings are forming. When you mix, what happened? These new bonds which are formed will be easily broken. Again, they will go into what? Which what earlier? Earlier, whatever they're having the bondings, they will shift into that. So this is the reason what happened. What they are saying here, they can escape. You see, the interactions which we got after the mixing is weaker. Hence, they escape from the solution in order to get the previous state here. The escaping tendency, what happened, increases now. Understood my concept here? But for positive deviation. Any doubts? Now, why this delta HV mixing is greater than 0? That means positive. That means endothermic heat will be absorbed. And in this case, what happened? Delta V mixing will be greater than 0. Beta. Mixing नहीं हो रहे हैं बेटा. Liquid ये ethanol और acetone दोनों mix नहीं हो रहे हैं. क्योंकि why they are not getting mixed बेटा? Even though if you mix, what happens? They are not getting mixed. Why? Because positive deviation. Their interactions are weak. Again they want to come back into their original state. In that case आपको क्या रखना है, क्या करना है बेटा? थोड़ा इसको एनर्जी देना है, थोड़ा इसमें एनर्जी पंप करना है. तो एनर्जी absorbed by whom बेटा? The solution. Therefore it is becoming what? Endothermic reaction. So that is the reason delta H is what? Greater than 0. क्योंकि मिक्स नहीं हो रहे हैं, तो मिक्स करने के क्या करते हैं? एजिटेट करते हैं. एजिटेशन करने आप, isn't it? एजिटेशन करना मतलब क्या है? आप applying some energy. That means endothermic reaction. Now why delta V mixing is greater than 0? देखो बेटा, इथेनॉल और इथेनॉल में ज्यादा अट्रैक्टिव फोर्सेस हैं. ज्यादा अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स मतलब their volume is very less. Okay, but ethanol and acetone में attractions कैसे है बेटा? Weak हैं. When they're having weak attractions, they occupy what? More value. है ना बेटा? If your good friends are there, they sit together in this manner. They sit together in this manner like this. They sit together in this manner like this. If they are not very good friends, they sit like this. They sit like this. Understood what I'm saying here? This is for positive deviation. This is for negative deviation. Okay. Now what happening here? More volume we are going to get here. Where in which case? Positive deviation. So that is the reason delta V mixing is what? For example, before that ethanol volume is what? Ethanol volume कितना है बेटा? Ethanol volume 50 ml है. And acetone का volume कितना रहे हैं? 60 ml ले रहे हैं. Okay. After that, you are not getting 110, you are getting 115 ml. You are getting 60 plus 50 कितना हो जाएगा? 110 होना चाहिए. If it is 110, it will become ideal solution. Now it is a positive deviation. Why? Because you are getting extra 5 ml. You are getting extra. Why? Because why you are getting 5 ml extra, better? Anybody? Why you are getting 5 ml extra here? Why you are getting 5 ml extra here?
Due to positive deviation.
Why you are getting extra space here? यहां पर ज्यादा स्पेस क्यों मिल रहा है बेटा? इस दोनों को बीच में ज्यादा क्यों आ रहा है? दोनों को बीच में एक 12th एक स्टूडेंट का 12th बी स्टूडेंट का दोनों में बीच में गैप क्यों आ रहा है बेटा?
सर वीक अट्रैक्शन।
हाँ वही बोलना है आपको, चुप से नहीं, चुपके से ऐसे क्यों बैठते आप लोग? Isn't it? Because of weak attraction. Attractions नहीं है ना इसमें, अगर attractions है तो क्या होता है? They will become what? Compress. Isn't it? Understood why my concept? Don't behave the things बेटा यहाँ पर. behave करे तो आपको डेल्टा भी मिक्सिंग लेस देन 0 दिखते पॉजिटिव डिविएशन में. देखो ये कॉन्सेप्ट. Now this is important beta. The solutions forms minimum boiling azeotropy. If it is positive deviation, they show a minimum boiling azeotropy. Azeotropy mixtures we will discuss in the next class beta. Minimum boiling azeotrope we'll discuss separately after this positive negative deviation. हमने बाद में डिस्कस. एग्जाम्पल तो आप ले सकते हैं इसमें 95% of water, 5% of very good example for this one. Okay, all these we can take examples beta. All these are what very good examples for positive deviation from Raoult's law, non-ideal solutions. All these examples: acetone, carbon disulfide, acetone, alcohol. अभी भी हमने लिया example. Acetone, benzene, benzene CCl4, chloroform CCl4, water alcohol, chloroform alcohol. Isn't it? So this type of examples we can take. So आप example याद रखो बेटा, isn't exam के लिए it will be important for you. Now let me discuss negative deviation beta now. Now once you understand the positive negative will be very simple to understand here. Now इसमें क्या हो रहे थे? जो solute solvent interactions are weaker. Now these are now becoming weaker. Okay. Now solute solvent, isn't it? Solute or solvent में जो interactions है, they are what very strong. They are getting strong. तो पहले जो interactions है, force of attractive forces which are weaker, once they get what happen bonding, they are getting what strong bonding. Same example ले लो again, 12th A class ले लो और 12th B class ले लो. 12th A में दो students हैं, एक स्नेहा is there और एक सोनाली इज दे. और 12th बी में समझो ये ले लो, वैष्णवी ले लो और एक वैष्णवी जे ले लो और वैष्णवी एन ले लो, है ना. स्नेहा सोनाली दे आर नॉट वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स बेटा, और वैष्णवी जे एंड वैष्णवी एन आल्सो नॉट वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स. दोनों में झगड़ा होता है, ये पेन के लिए, पेंसिल के लिए, इरेजर के लिए दोनों में झगड़ा होता है. स्नेहा और सोनाली जब भी क्लास में बैठते सेम बेंच में बैठते हैं ऐसा. स्नेहा इधर बैठते, सोनाली इधर बैठता है ऐसा बेंच में. सिमिलरली 12th बी में भी वैष्णवी जे इधर बैठते और वैष्णवी एन इधर बैठते. दोनों पे इंटरेक्शन ज्यादा अच्छा नहीं है. नाउ व्हेनेवर इफ यू टेक क्लास along with 12th A and 12th B, ना क्या हो रहा है ना, ये सोनाली हैं और वैष्णवी जे दोनों दे आर गेटिंग व्हाट वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स. ओके, एंड स्नेहा एंड isn't it Vaishnavi N, they are getting very good friends now. They are very good thick friends now. They are becoming but very good friends now. Now how they are sitting like this, Sneha and V. They are also Sneha and V. They are sitting something together like this because they are very good friends. Maybe because they are neighbors. Maybe because they are neighbors, isn't it? They are sitting together like this. Now जहां पर interactions यहाँ पर क्या हुआ, strong हो गया. Interactions यहाँ पर strong हो रहे हैं, है ना. यहाँ पर interactions क्या हो रहे हैं, weak हो रहे हैं, weak interactions. That means before mixing their interactions are weak. After mixing what happened, their attractive forces are getting what here, stronger. So ज्यादा interactions किसमें हो रहे हैं, solution में हो रहे हैं. Solute में और solvent में कम interactions. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं ना, ये interactions are BB interactions which are lesser than what AB interactions. Now which type of solution it is? नॉन आइडियल सॉल्यूशन विद नेगेटिव डीवी. ऐसा आप क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं बेटा. दिस इज कॉल्ड नॉन आइडियल सॉल्यूशन विथ व्हाट? नेगेटिव डिविएशन. नेगेटिव डिविएशन में किसमें आएगा? ये बी में स्ट्रॉन्ग इंटरैक्शंस होना चाहिए. अंडरस्टूड? आई थिंक एनी डाउट्स यू आर हैविंग इन दिस वन?
No, sir.
And similarly, the partial pressure, if they are having weak interactions, beta, the partial vapor pressure of each component of the solution is lesser than the vapor pressure of the expected according to the Raoult's law. Next, already I discussed this one. And escaping tendency ज्यादा होता है बेटा. अभी escaping tendency increase होता है, decrease होता है बेटा?
Sir, decrease होता है.
Decrease.
ज्यादा जब मिक्स करने के बाद इंटरेक्शन ज्यादा हो रहे हैं तो escaping tendency तो डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. Now why this is happening? Why they are getting what strong interactions when they mix here? So we'll take a beautiful example बेटा. देखो, this is what liquid A. लिक्विड ए में कोई हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग हो रहा है बेटा. लिक्विड ए में इज इट पॉसिबल हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग इन लिक्विड ए? डू यू गेट एनी हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग इन द लिक्विड ए बेटा? इन लिक्विड?
No, sir.
No. Are you getting any hydrogen bonding in liquid B?
No, sir.
Bonding in liquid B, chloroform. This is chloroform beta. And this one is what? Acetone. अब बोलो, एसीटोन में हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग हो जाएगा? एसीटोन में नहीं. क्लोरोफॉर्म में हो जाएगा? डू यू गेट एनी हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग इन क्लोरोफॉर्म? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
No.
No. How do you get? You cannot get. So दोनों में हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग हो रहे हैं. दोनों में हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग हो रहे हैं. So there is a exception case is that chloroform can form hydrogen bonding because of 3 chlorines. But what I am saying here, that is a very big. Leave it that one. Here between these two, जो नया bond बन रहे हैं, the new bond which is forming here, that is what? Hydrogen bonding. So generally hydrogen bonding is stronger than the normal bondings, normal interaction forces. So for getting, because of hydrogen bonding, what happened? They are not escaping now. They are what? Tightly, closely packed now. They cannot escape from the solution. In this case, what happened? Delta H mix less than 0, delta V less than. Now देखो बेटा, delta H less than 0 क्यों हो रहा है? See, weak interaction से weak is converting into strong. तो जल्दी होता है ना, weak strong. Whichever the molecule want to get the strongness, no? To get, for getting the strongness, what happened? Whatever they are having heat, that will release and become now stable. Isn't it? मैं अगर बोलता हूं, अगर आज आप क्लास आए तो आपको 100 मार्क्स देता हूं. अगर बोले तो आप जल्दी आता है ना, जो आपका जो एनर्जी है वो पूरा निकाल कर आते हैं इधर. Same. If before what happened, they don't have any strong interaction. When you mix, what happened? For getting that hydrogen bonding, they readily mix. In that case, what happened? They release whatever the extra energy they're having, that release and become stable. And delta V mix becomes less than 0 because once they get strong interactions here, they will compress. A and B will get a compress like this. Therefore, the volume is what? Less. And here what is? They are having more volume between these two. Their volume is more. Now, what is delta V mixing here? V final minus V initial. V final कितना है बेटा? Less है. V initial कितना है? More. तो less minus more. नेगेटिव किसमें है? More में है. तो आपको नेगेटिव आएगा. Now, this will form maximum boiling azeotropes. Minimum by positive deviation, maximum by negative deviation. Example आप ले सकते हैं HNO3 and water. 68% of H2O, HNO3 and 32% of water can be taken as this type of example. Okay, this is about the, isn't it? और ये azeotrope में आपको नेक्स्ट क्लास में एक्सप्लेन करता हूं. ऑलरेडी इट इज 10:22. विल डिस्कस दिस एजियोट्रोपिस इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. एक्चुअली और किसी का कुछ डाउट्स है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं अभी. नो डाउट्स? जो
No, sir.